he went left. Mike ran left that way. Be careful, John. Mike's to the left. John. Fuck. Someone run on the base, change the flag. What? I don't know who got you. Huh? Me? Oh. Nope. You only got shot at by two of us. No, I don't think they're all out. They still got Josh. Yeah, I know. I can't see him. There's two of them back there. We only got to hold it for one more minute. You see him? I don't. But I know where he is. Back. He's way back there. Farther than we can see. Just stay down, buddy. We got this. Dude, one more minute. They're gonna, huh? Straight ahead? Yeah, I know. I just can't see that far without the water in it.
Hey, Mike ran.
Mike ran. We got B. 10:45. We got B. You want to run out of there, run. Come back to us if you can. It's D next, and then A's last. It's going to be hard to get D. Dude, you can book it tough. We'll try and cover you. Whoa. I just got D.
Yeah, they're coming up John.
Which one?
John.
Yeah, but which group?
I'm going.
Okay. Which? Hey.
What? You got hit? What?
Who got hit? Hey, right here, straight ahead.
Right behind us. Here's James.
Who's hit? You are?
There's one right there.
I'm almost out, sorry.
What?
He's hit. He's hit. Get. I got him.
One straight ahead.
You were getting friggin' close.
One shooter for me.
I know.
Huh?
Huh?
Go on, guys.
What's up? Dude, you're awesome, by the way, just to let you know. I don't care if you don't get kills. You're amazing. Yeah, they're shooting from different angles.
Where's John? When I was inside the house, he was shooting from the opposite side of the...
Yeah, Mike ran that way, and John was over to the left. He's already hit! I'm gonna fucking pepper one of these kids. Okay. I'm running
James, how's our back?
How's our back?
Alright.
Fucking gun.
You got it? Lay down, just lay down. You're on crossfire, follow the wall.
Got him. So let's see, that's 1, 2, so that's 9, 11 and 2. What? What about your ammo? So they're trying to flank us some. It's not working for them. I'm trying to get the other ones, the ones that keep shooting at John. Hey John, just so you know, if they keep shooting, just shoot back. I don't know where they are. Can't see. Fucking stupid ass gun. You're hit? I just shot at it. So that's 12 now? 12 and 2? Hey John, you ready to be tagged in, buddy?